So collaboration, synergy, empower yourself, show yourself, speak your truth, be honest with what you really feel, and don't play game. Huh? That's the main message. So I thought of some pranayama to illustrate that these values for this next month. And the first pranayama is about how to find peace within you and this core essence when you are in peace, happiness. Happiness is a spontaneous happiness, rejoicing within. So that's the first pranayama. Open that space, connect with your essence. So how do we do that? We have different points. The third eye, the temple, the side of your eyes, and bottom of your cheeks, right here. Yeah, you see this? It creates a pentagram. If you go like this, you move from top, down, left, right, left, down, right, and third eye. You understand? I do it again. Here, but we're gonna keep our fingers on it, so it's easier. It's but you're not pushing it. You just delicately touch it. Yeah. So you have this third eye stimulate. You have the two index fingers that touch the temple here on the side, and the two thumbs, they are inside your cheeks. Actually, when you wake up in the morning, this place under the cheeks is a good place to stimulate when you just wake up. Yeah, this one. Yeah. And then you're gonna inhale deeply, and we're gonna exhale with the sound ong. It's like a conch. You need to make your mouth like this conch. You know the shell of this animal from the seashell. And it's ong. But when you sing, the ong is a nasal sound that should shake the bones of your skull. And you need to focus on that vibration frequency of the bone of your skull, and this will activate pineal, pituitary, and thyroid with the ong. Ong, ong is in the back of the throat. The sound goes in the back of the nose and comes out through the bones. Yeah, so it goes like ong, and you will feel the bones. But we go by 5. So you're gonna do ong about 5 seconds. Ong, 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 but it's not fast. It's on the exhale, you restart 5 times, ong for 5 seconds each. So it goes like this. Yeah. You close your eyes, you keep your head up, and you look down in the thumb's touch of your left side. So first we inhale in the third eye. And then you go, ong, ong. And then the second ong is on the right side of the temple. The third ong is on the left side of the eyes. The fourth ong is on the other side of the cheeks. And the 5 is on the third eye. And there you beam out. So I will do it few times, 3 times. Inhale deep, and we go for 5 times, 5 seconds ong. Ong, 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 You understand? It aligns pineal, pituitary, and thyroid together. It will stimulate this, and you're going to get so much space, so much opening. It dissolves any sense of fears, any sense of blindness, and it will stimulate your intuition. It will totally open the space and transform. So, but you really need to vibrate. In Sanskrit language, in Gurmukhi, we call the letter Ong is a O-N-G, is Nganga. Nganga is Ong. Nganga. So vibration is on the upper palate where it's soft, and it touches the hypothalamus, and the frequency goes in all the skull, and it's like your mouth is a conch that resonates within your head. And you will feel dizzy very quickly. But keep going. Try to slow it down. You do 5 seconds each on the five age of the stars. You know, there you go down, up, left, down, up. Yeah. And if you feel comfortable, you can go all the way to your exhale. It should be a long exhale where you fully exhale with the Ong. And then you inhale slowly, deeply, and again, and you really dive into and activate your skull. So this is bring peace within and happiness. The second is rebuild yourself, restore yourself, because that's the other. Care for yourself is one of the message of this month. Is if you empower yourself, you need also to care when you lose your power. It goes along. So be caring for yourself, restore yourself, nourish yourself properly. You need a good quality of energy. So that's what I mean, care for you and rebuild yourself constantly. It's not just one time, or it's not because you are sick or wrong. It's rebuild yourself is a constant attention you pay to yourself. So you're always in the optimal quality of energy you can create for yourself. Yeah. So this one is... we're going to put the arms like this, the palm above each other, but they don't touch. It's just like this. Just like this. Again, at the level of your throat. Just in front, not the heart, the throat. Yeah, this level. Elbows are up, and we're not having the right over it. It's just above it. But both palms look down. The palm look down and palm look down. Yeah, you hold it like this. And we're going to use our mouth. You keep the lips slightly wet with your tongue. And the idea is an image. You're going to embrace the flow of air that comes in. We're going to inhale through the mouth sensually. Like if you kiss God, when you inhale through the lips, and you feel the air that touch the lips, it's very sensual. Like a kiss, exactly like a kiss, inhaling kiss, yeah, through the mouth. So it's a special shape of your mouth that is embracing the breath, and you, from your heart, you value, this is God, you know. The breath of life is God coming in and connected with the God within. So we do this breath with total reverence. Oh, God is blowing into me. Yeah, through the breath, I'm in touch with the divine and it resonates my own divine. And the exhale goes slowly through the nose. You exhale nicely, nicely, peacefully through the nose. So we go like this. I forgot to say, concentrate you close your eyes, but you concentrate to the tip of your nose. So you look a little bit down, but the eyes are closed. The eyes are closed, but you look to the tip of the nose. This focus on tip of nose will open your central channel. It brings prana in Sushumna. So it's opening your central channel and it will distribute prana to all parts of your 7 bodies. What part needs a specific prana, it will come in through the love and the way you suck the breath of God, and then you exhale, releasing and totally relax through the exhaling. It's a very deep, so the posture will reset and balance the 5 tattvas by holding your arms like this. And then the breath will activate the prana through, will connect all your tattvas and activate. It will bring you in touch with the source and of renewal, how you renew yourself. You can renew all of your cells of your physical body as well, but it will also help to rebuild your emotional body from trauma, from any trouble, any disbalance. This is a total balance kriya pranayama. Yeah. So you remember, you make your mouth in the special shape of a kiss, and you receive the divine kiss through the air that comes in. And you exhale nicely and fully. Keep the spine straight. This is absolutely crucial. Keep your spine straight and your arm do not move. After 5 minutes, it will be not tolerable. The body can freak out. You may have tension in the neck, the shoulder, wherever. If you go, concentrate on the breath. Concentrate on the breath, and this will slowly dissolve tension. You will give more space in your muscles, and you're going to open that space. So if you do it 11 minutes is a very good time for this kriya. You could do it more, but 11 minutes is a very good time to have the perfect effect, just enough, not too much, and to dissolve the tension and to care for yourself, renew yourself. Yeah. And finally, we will have, we continue into, this was balancing your tattva. Now we're going to balance the frequency of electrical field with the nervous system. But it is very gentle, and it is, actually, this is what I would call ego eradicator. You will bring your hands like this. So before we were like this, now we bring it like this, a palm facing you, facing your heart. And this time we put the palm in front of the heart chakra. And what we do is we touch the palm and we touch the thumbs. So the thumbs are pushing each other. Yeah, it's a mudra. And we have not this on the body, but in front of the body, exactly in front of the heart chakra. So, and the chest is out, the chin is in. And again, is a connection between the divine and the breath. This time we're going to do a sort of a square breath, that you deeply inhale, and then you stop your breath in Kumbhaka with the lungs full, and you stay for 20 seconds. Could be 30 if you're good, but minimum 15 seconds. You can check the clock at the beginning, but when you go further, you can hold the breath longer. The best would be 30 seconds. So you hold the breath 30 seconds, then you exhale everything through the nose, inhaling through the nose, hold the breath in and stop for 30 seconds, slowly, deeply, fully exhale all the way out, and then hold the breath out for 30 seconds. So with this posture, you totally balance the nervous system. You can feel the energy in your palm feeding and from the heart, yeah? And the arms are just in the right place to work with this, the 8th dorsal, you know, this place in between the shoulder blade that we often work in Kundalini. So this is the place where you 3 nervous system are locked. They are there. So you can unlock them. You can let the energy circulate in that system. So hold it like this. I don't know if you see it. Yeah, you hold it like this and the level of the heart chakra. And you go for this square breath. Inhale, long, deep. Hold the breath 30 seconds. Exhale slowly, deeply. Hold the breath 30 seconds again. And continue this cycle for 11 minutes. Very, very focused on the breath. I think this combination of 3 breaths will totally support you to face the time, maintain your inner peace, and really go for yourself, stand for your truth, and fully engage in what the world asks you to be. Today, to be yourself. That's what this pranayama set is for.